Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to a new YouTube video. So in this one, I'm going to give you guys a little recap on the trade that I've taken here on GU, or the pound dollar. Now it was obviously I just closed it not long ago, but it was obviously pre the Fed Powell speech as well. So I said a little bit of anticipation there as well. So before I do that, because this is for the YouTube, I'll give you guys a little bit of proof that I'd taken this trade, obviously. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I have... Oh, I can't paste the image, too large. Okay then, buddy. Try that. There you go. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I posted it there. And yeah, it was a very nice trade, very simple, very textbook. Just a simple trade. It's the same stuff, a different day. However, rather than having a smaller target, I decided to just leave it because I knew you had the speech coming up as well. And I thought I'd just head out, do a bit of shopping. I was at the spa as well today and the gym. So I thought I'd just, leave it run for a little bit. I was already risk-free at this point as I'd left the house. And, it was a brilliant trade. Now, as you can see there, entry was there and I closed around here, okay? So, on the 4 hour, there isn't much going on. We are just sat within this 4 hour range. However, price is moving bullish. We had some swept some imbalance here as well. On the 15 minute, it's a very simple setup, guys. On the 50 minute, we swept out the edge of lows. We had a nice demand chain going on here as well. So just looking to follow the demand chain. And obviously, if you're in my mentorship, you'll understand how powerful this setup is. So look at the edge of lows, demand chain. When we flip to the M1, it's very simple. We had a nice chock here. As you can see, we took out this low and then we chocked here. We formed bullish structure. And then we had this structure mitigation here of this imbalance. And then we had this range that we were playing inside of. We came back down. Sort of came back up a little bit, sort of hovered around this area, and that's where I pretty much entered. There's a slight imbalance here when you remove this here. Let's play it forward one candle as well. There's a slight imbalance obviously there, so that's where the entry was, just above here on that imbalance there. Stops were below there, absolutely fine. And then, as you know, Bob's your uncle. The trade played out nicely. Now, if you didn't even if you didn't get that entry, there's multiple entries here. Nice demand chain again. An entry here, an entry. Well, maybe not so there, but here, So the entries are there. You just have to go and find them. This one was a very textbook setup. I also took a trade yesterday as well, but I'm not going to give you a recap for YouTube on that one. I'm going to give you a little recap for that one over in the private mentorship. So like I said, guys, if you're interested in checking out the mentorship, and I guarantee you, if you put in the work and take it seriously, this would be the last ever course you'll ever need. Don't take it from me, take it from my students' results, let them speak. But yeah, very simple trade, just run through it again. I closed here. I wasn't really looking to have a fixed target or anything like that. Usually I just do, like for example, if this is another day, if I was on the charts, probably would just target the edge of high, just that liquidity. But as the overall trend was bullish, I was anticipating higher prices. Obviously we had the Fed Chair Powell as well speech coming up, so I thought I'd hold it during then. And then the alert went off on my phone and I closed it around here, as you can see there. So it was a nice, very, very nice move, 48.1 pips, and obviously 18.5 hour trade. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't hit trades like this every day. I'm not a big advocate for hitting big risk reward trades. If anything, I don't like them, just because it's not reasonable long term. But I thought I'd let the trade run, and it just happened that I was really good timing with it, and I closed it at really good timing as well. So at the end of the day, I'd say why this trade is a profitable trade is because I had very good timing with it, and that's that. But that's pretty much it, really, guys. Again, just anticipating higher price on higher time frame, 50-minute demand chain. Look at the edge of lows there, so we obviously swept that downside liquidity. Then the 1 minute entry there, we had a nice chock to the upside there. Nice chock here, so obviously price is moving bearish. We had this wick low get taken. Then we had a nice significant push to the upside. So we started to see bullish momentum kicking into the market. We had a slight imbalance here, and then I entered off that imbalance and got filled in at a pip higher. So there we go. Stops below there as well. Had a bit of drawdown, but drawdown's nothing, especially when you're on personal account. And then there's multiple entries here. I probably would have entered in for a nice scaling as well, because I do like to scale into trades, and I highly recommend you check that out as well, guys, in terms of just, you know, once you know how to scale into trades and more positions, this is something I teach in my mentorship as well, you can really take advantage of maximizing that profitability, and it's something that's quite big. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't want to keep this video too long, just keep a nice 5-minute long video, and literally everything you need is right here. What I will do is I'll post links down below in the description. Make sure you go and check them out, because I'll post a link to the H4, the 15-minute and the 1-minute, just so you can see my full breakdown there. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Any questions or issues, you know what to do. Pop me a DM, slide in my DMs. And like I said, if you are interested in checking out my mentorship, or even just joining the community to be around like-minded people, you're more than welcome to do so. I'd see you on the other side, guys. Thank you so much for watching.